Pydantic AI equips an agent with tools through the FunctionToolset abstraction, and this code demonstrates how to attach key-value metadata to those tools via the withMetadata method so that downstream logic can inspect tool configuration at request time. The FunctionToolset constructor registers a plain function as a callable tool, and chaining withMetadata onto that toolset instance tags the tool with an arbitrary dictionary that travels with the tool definition in every model request. The code builds a FunctionToolset, wrapping a search function, constructs a test model for deterministic inspection, and passes the metadata-enriched toolset to the agent constructor through the toolset's argument. Running the agent synchronously with runSync triggers a model request whose FunctionTools list carries the attached metadata, which the assertions verify is present and correctly set to sensitive, true. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, FunctionToolset. From Pydantic AI Models, Test Import Test Model. Def Search Query, SDR. A search for information. Return F results for query. Toolset equals function toolset tools equals search. Test model equals test model. Agent equals agentist model. Toolsets equals toolset. With metadata sensitive equals true. Result equals agent. Run sync search for something. Params equals test model last model request parameters. Assert params is not none. Assert params function tools 0. Metadata is not none. Assert params function tools 0 metadata sensitive is true. This wraps a function toolset with metadata sensitive equals true, so the attached metadata gets merged onto each tool definition. The agent runs with TestModel, which lets you inspect TestModel, last model request parameters, function tool 0, metadata to confirm the flag propagates. The metadata is available downstream for inspection by other capabilities or custom logic. The pattern lets you tag tools with arbitrary key-value pairs without modifying the tool functions themselves. This is useful for marking sensitive tools for audit, gating access, or routing behavior, though it assumes consumers of the metadata exist to act on it. As a toolset-level operation, it applies to all tools in the set, so you get consistency without per-tool boilerplate. Let's break it down. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, FunctionToolset. From Pydantic AI Models, Test Import Test Model. Imports agent and FunctionToolset from Pydantic AI for agent construction and tool registration. Also imports TestModel, a test time model for development. Def Search Query, SDR. A search for information. Return F results for query. Defines a function that takes a query string and returns a formatted result string containing the query. Toolset equals function toolset tools equals search. Creates a function toolset instance, wrapping the search tool, and assigns it to toolset. Test model equals test model. Instantiates a test model instance and binds it to the variable test model. Agent equals agentist model. Toolsets equals toolset. With metadata sensitive equals true. Instantiates an agent bound to test model with a toolset whose metadata marks it as sensitive. The toolset is created by calling with metadata sensitive equals true on an existing toolset instance, then passed as a list to the agent constructor. Result equals agent. Run sync search for something. Params equals test model last model request parameters. Calls the agent synchronously with the prompt search for something and stores the returned result. Then reads the last model request parameters from TestModel and assigns them to params. The with metadata call on FunctionToolset is the connective thread that carries metadata from tool registration all the way into model request parameters. You register a function, wrap it in a toolset, tag the toolset with key-value pairs, and those tags show up on TestModel. Last model request parameters. Function tool 0, metadata ready for downstream inspection. The toolset level scope means you tag once and every tool in that set inherits the metadata consistently, which cuts per tool boilerplate, but also means it's an all-or-nothing operation. The actual utility hinges on something consuming that metadata, audit logic, access gating, or routing behavior. But the mechanism itself is just a plain dictionary traveling with the tool definition in every request. TestModel makes that travel visible for assertions without needing a real model.
The test model that remembers every function tool lets the agent sprint past search without a sound.